Mathematicians, here we go. We're talking secants, tangents, angle measurements. We're going to pull this all together in Unit 6. So, what's a secant? A secant is a line that intersects a circle in exactly 2 points. Goes through the circle. All right. They intersect the interior circle. If two secants, let me back up. If two secants intersect in a circle, okay, the angle formed, here we go, let's highlight it. The angle formed is 1/2 the sum of the measure of the arcs intercepted by the angle and its vertical angle. Oh, goodness, what does that mean? What does that mean? What it means is this, okay? The measurement of angle 2 is equal to 1/2 the sum of these two arcs. All right. Likewise for angle 1. Angle 1, the measurement of angle 1 is equal to 1/2 the sum of these two arcs. All right. So that's the relationship we're talking about when you have a secant, a line that intersects the circle in 2 points, or a chord, and then they intersect in the circle, those two, that's the relationship. So let's put this to work, all right? So when I look at this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out this angle measurement right there, because I know that that angle measurement and x are supplementary because of the supplements theorem. If two angles are a linear pair, then they're supplementary. So the measurement of angles y, z, x is equal to 1/2 the sum of the two intercepted arcs. Okay, so the measurement of angle YZX is equal to 1/2 of 158. So the measurement of angle YZX, 78, 75, and 479 degrees. All right. Therefore, if this angle is 79, then this angle has to be 101. So the measurement of angle X is 101 degrees. 101 degrees. Oh, there's a second one. I zoomed in a little much. Here we go. Okay. So the measurement of X, or I could just say X equals actually, because that refers to the measurement, is equal to 1/2 the sum of the arcs. So X is equal to 1/2 164. Making sure I'm doing my math right. And then X is equal to 1/2 of 164 is 82 degrees. 82 degrees. Okay. All right. What's next? Ooh, if a secant and a tangent intersect at the point of tangency, then the measure of each angle formed is 1/2 the measure of the intercepted arc. Again, a lot of new information about angle relationships. You should be studying these with your note cards. Reach out to friends, family, stuffed animals. Have them quiz you on this, okay? So here we go. What we're saying is the measurement of angle 1 is 1/2 that arc measurement. Or the measurement of angle 2 is 1/2 that arc measurement. Right? That's their relationship. And again, remembering all this, you've got to study it. We've got to practice it. So let's figure out what we mean here. Okay. Well, in a circle, we know that all the arcs together equal 360. So if arc PTS is 250, then arc PS is 110. Okay. And so the measurement of QPS, that's this angle right here, is equal to, the measurement of angle QPS is equal to 1/2 the arc. So 1/2 of 250 degrees. So the measurement of QPS is 125 degrees, 125 degrees. For BCD, so that's this arc right here, okay? Well, we know that angle ADB is 108, which makes this 216. And we know together arc AB and arc BCD are equal to 360 degrees. So I'm going to take 360 minus 216, and I'm going to get 144 degrees. Here we go. Again, it's just going to take practice. We want to review, review, review. Here we go. If two secants, a secant, and a tangent, or two tangents, okay, so we're talking about any of these relationships, if they intersect at the exterior of the circle, the measure of the angle formed is half the difference. It's half the difference of the measures of the intersected arc, okay? So when we had it on there, it was just half the arc. When it intersects outside, it's going to be half the difference of those. All right, it's going to be half the difference of those. So let's put this to use, okay? And again, this applies to two secants, a secant and a tangent, or two tangents. So if we want to find BC, okay? So the measurement of angle E is equal to 1/2 the difference of arc AD. Whoops, make this better. There you go. AD minus arc BC. And that's my formula. So what I'm going to do is fill in what I know. 62 is the measurement of angle E times 1/2. And AD is 141, and I don't know what BC is. So I have an equation now with one variable. So 124, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So 124 is equal to 141 minus x. I'll subtract 141 from both sides. Those cancel out, so negative x is negative 17, which means x is 17. So the measurement of arc BC is going to be 17 degrees. And I'm going to shrink this up just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Sometimes it helps to put that equation out ahead of time so that you're able to just kind of fill in your values and go from there. It's a good starting point when you're first learning out how to do all of this. Let's take a look at the measurement of angle of this one right here. So again, the measurement of angle W is equal to 1/2 times the difference of the arcs. So WYZ minus RZX. And I'm going to fill in what I know. That 40 degrees is equal to 1/2 x minus 140. So 80 is equal to x minus 140. So x equals 220. Okay. Now I also could have looked at it and said, hey, if this is 140, then that's got to be, 220, but that helps too. All right. Here we go. Ooh. This diagram shows the path of light as it cuts a diamond. If the ray is bent or refracted at points A, B, and C, the measurement of angle C is 96. The measurement of angle S is 35. What is the measurement of RBT? So what is the measurement of that part right there? All right. So 35, the measurement of angle S is equal to 1/2 times the difference of arc AC minus arc RBT. So 35 is equal to 1/2 times 96 minus X. So 70 is equal to 1/2 times 96 minus X. Oh, not 1/2. I got to get rid of the 1/2. That's why I multiplied by 2. And then negative X equals negative 26. So X equals 26. Again, filling that information in to the equation. All right, so this is just going kind of a nice recap of what we've talked about. So you might want to take some time just to kind of review that and talk through that. But this is a lot of information again today. Practice it, have your notes. You've got to study, study, study. Quiz with other people, talk with other people, do what you need to do. All right, you want to make sure you're remembering all of these different parts. All right, have a great day.